coming under the Electricity Act, for which you invoke Article 226. So 226 and 32 are a method or a procedure or a tool, so to speak, to enable you to get your rights enforced. Now, since time at my disposal is short, I've been asked to tell you about, the chairman also said, speak about some advice to youngsters about practice. Now, I must first tell you that life is not easy. Many years ago, Ram Jethmalani came to the High Court Association, and he was working with barrister Asaf Ali. You must have heard of Aruna Asaf Ali, who was a famous lady. Asaf Ali was a freedom fighter, and he told Jethmalani that whatever happens, if you are unable to spend 15-16 hours a day, you might as well leave the profession in the beginning. Don't waste your time. So I want to tell you that it is a difficult life, it's a tough life if you want to make a mark in the bar. I don't want to give any rosy picture. I've been through it for 37 years. I've seen people go to heights. I've seen people not succeeding. And one thing which and I wrote the book with Mr. Sorabji on Palkhiwala, one thing which fascinated me right from the beginning was what makes some people superstars, what makes a Michael Jordan, what makes a Michael Phelps, what makes a Maria Sharapova, why people have. Please note, there's a book called Outliers. Outliers, O-U-T-L-I-E-R-S. Most important thing for the bar is you must have a tremendous passion for reading. That's a mandatory thing. You just forget your TV, forget the TV serials, and just focus on reading. Some things I may tell you may not be pleasant, but I'm just telling you out of interest. You're all like my sons and daughters. My children are older than most of you, and I will tell you what the same thing I would have told to my own daughter and son, because I must tell you in the beginning, it's a fantastic profession, but it just requires enormous amount of hard work. Ultimately, you must decide where I want to go. Right? If you want to reach an Olympic level, it requires 15 hours a day. If you want to practice in the local street cricket, you can just practice for half an hour. It's your choice. But Outliers, this gentleman, Anders Ericsson, he's on YouTube, Anders Ericsson, he was wanting to know what makes a person, like an A.R. Rahman, why is